Hey, what is going on, guys? It's me, Anafan. Welcome back to Tech Chably. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Today's video, let's do some unboxing with me. Now we're gonna go and unboxing one of the possibly the most popular keyboard and mouse combo, and it's wireless. Okay, it's a Logitech MK235 keyboard and mouse. So let's get started. So on the outside the box, we will have a full specifications of this Logitech MK235. This combo is an affordable, simple wireless keyboard and mouse. Both of them are in black color. You will get one AA battery and two AAA batteries. The battery life for the keyboard is expected to be around 3 years, while the mouse battery is for 1 year. Now let's open this up. Upon opening the box, we will see a small USB receiver. This Nano USB receiver is used for wireless connection for both the keyboard and the mouse. We get 3 batteries for the keyboard and mouse. The big battery, this is for mouse, and the other 2 are for the keyboard. Okay, now let's check out here. There's one manual behind this keyboard package. The keyboard gets minimalist touchy feeling when you put it into the next to your PC. It's easy to use since the keyboard is arranged in familiar keyboard layout, so you don't have to learn how to process it. Let's see what we have for the mouse. It's a small to medium hand size mouse. This is an optical wireless mouse, and it doesn't have a LED lighting optic. It uses an invisible optic instead. And this is what I like. Okay, we're gonna go and open this up to put the battery in. I forget to mention that you can keep the USB receiver next to the mouse battery tray. When you don't use the mouse or you want to move your laptop to another place, make sure you keep the USB receiver safe in the mouse. Okay, let's now open the keyboard battery tray and put the batteries in. Okay guys, now you can plug this USB receiver into the laptop USB port and turn on the device and start using it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the price of this keyboard and mouse combo. It cost me around like $28 for this combo. And one more thing, that we will get 1 year limited warranty of the products. If you like to purchase a wireless keyboard and mouse combo, will you consider this Logitech MK235? Please leave me a comment about your ideal wireless keyboard and mouse. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Anafan from Tech Chably. Please don't forget to subscribe for more videos later on. Bye for now.